Now let us learn about dielectrics. Dielectrics. These are insulating material like your rubber, glass, pure water, through which electricity cannot pass through. Hmm. Like glass, mica, dry air, vacuum, helium, pure water. Pure water is also dielectric. This does not conduct electricity. Uh, or you can say dielectrics are poor conductors of electricity. And there are two different types of dielectrics: non-polar dielectrics and polar dielectrics. Let us learn uh, non-polar dielectric, then polar dielectric. Very simple. Non-polar dielectrics. Here the center of mass of negative charge coincides with the center of mass of the positive charge. कैसे? Now look, this is one hydrogen atom, this is another hydrogen atom. I have shown them separately. This point and this point, they coincide each other actually. So such a thing. And if you look at here also, carbon dioxide, CO2, this point, they are very close to each other, so there is no net dipole moment. Now now what do you mean by center of mass of negative charge? Center of mass of negative charge, suppose there is a negative charge here, there is another 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 here, then you can think as if the whole is concentrated here, This point is called the center of the negative charges, or you can say the center of mass of the negative charges. Similarly, what do you mean by the center of mass of the positive charges? Suppose one positive charge, that is a proton, there is another, there is another, there is another, there is another, or there is another, there is another, there is another. You can think as if the whole, this distribution of positive charges are concentrated here. Now, if this coincides with this in a given molecule, then such a substance is called a non-polar dielectric. Now come to polar dielectrics. Here the center of mass of negative charges are nothing but electrons, do not coincide with the center of mass of positive charges, that is protons, so has a dipole moment. Examples are water, HCl, NH3. For example, as I just explained you here, these are all negative charges, that is electrons. You can think as if all of them are concentrated here. So you say this is the center of the negative charges, or the center of mass of the negative charges. And look at here, these positive charges, that is protons, you can think as if the whole of them are concentrated here. If this does not coincide with this in a given molecule, in a given substance, then you say that substance is a polar dielectric. And I have previously explained you a dipole, a minus q and a plus q separated by a distance was called a dipole, and the dipole moment was from minus q to plus q, p, and p was explained as 2aq, the distance between them multiplied by the charge. So in polar dielectrics, for example HCl, here is your chlorine, here is your hydrogen. As you know in chemistry, these are negative, so as if the whole negative charge is concentrated here, that is, this is the center of mass of the negative charges. Hydrogen is a positive, as if the whole positive charges are concentrated here, So this is not coinciding with this. So negative charge is here, positive charge is here, as I explained you here. So there is a net dipole moment to this side. Similarly, H2O, and that is water. This as if the whole positive charge is concentrated here. The whole positive charges of this hydrogen atom is concentrated here. The negative is concentrated here. So negative positive, like here there is a dipole moment like this, negative positive there is a dipole moment like this. So the resultant of this and this according to parallelogram law is this, that is, this is the net dipole moment. So I have explained you here that the dipole moment is P is equal to 2aq. So in summary, you can say in non-polar dielectrics, the center of mass of negative and positive, they coincide. So the distance between them is 0. Since this distance is 0, so the dipole moment is P is equal to 0. In polar dielectrics, between this and this there is a distance, that is, this point does not coincide with this point. So there is a net dipole moment, that is in the case of HCl or water.